Good morning, all. Super Sue here. Just wanted to make sure that you were watching out for what you eat while we're watching the basketball this weekend. You get caught up in all the hoopla and forget about stuffing yourself too much. Let's talk about some labels and some fat. For example, this is the little chicken wings that everybody seems to love, especially over at some of your favorite places. Now, let's look at this label, just so you give you an idea. 4 of these little wings, 4 wings are 200 calories. So do the math, that's 50 calories a piece. Eeks! And we know we eat a lot more than 4, don't we? Well, let's look at this. The fat in 4 wings is 13 grams of fat. Is that good or bad? At Diet by Design, we try to aim for 3 grams of fat for every 100 calories. So when you pick up an item, it gives you an idea on how to be careful about what you're selecting. So if that's the case, at 200 calories, this thing should have not more than 6 grams of fat, right? And it's got 13, so put it down. Also, we'll go into this deeper as we go along, but your salt in here is 700 milligrams. And we want to make sure that if you're on high blood pressure medicine, you really should be at 1,500 milligrams or lower. You know, you can consult your doctor on that one. But most of the things in the grocery store are based on 2,400 milligrams of sodium per serving. So you can see that this is way too high because, again, we know you're going to eat more than 4. So watch out with things like this. The more savvy you get at reading a label, the better off you're going to be. Now, here's another thing. How do we love comfort food? How about Pepperidge Farm chili and cornbread with beans? It's just really yummy. But now, again, if we look at this label says if you eat this whole pie, you've had 2 servings. Eeks! And the calories are 360, so we got to double that. And the 17 grams of fat per serving, so that means this thing has 34 grams of fat. For 360 calories, it should have what? 3, 6, 9, maybe 10 or 11 grams of fat, and it's got 17. So we know right off the bat, that's a danger. Also, the salt in this is off the wall, guys. It's 890 milligrams for half of this. So, again, the fiber is kind of wimpy, the carbs are kind of high, but I just want you to look at the carbs and the fiber and the salt, because the more you keep an eye on those things, the better off your health is going to be. And one last thing, you go out for breakfast and you get some sausage. This one is awful scary also. This one sausage is 190 calories. It also has 14 grams of fat. So if it's 190, it should have 6, right? Well, we know that that's more than double, so that's ridiculous. The salt in one of these sausages is 600 milligrams. So again, here we go. This is very dangerous for your health. Can't you find something else that's better for you? Super Sue and I want you to have a healthy weekend, so watch what you're doing. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Doesn't mean you can't eat fruits and vegetables when you're watching the basketball. I'm going to. How about you? Take on your day. Make it healthy. Bye now.